Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, this is going to be a quick video on how to make this extra delicious easy peasy shrimp sauce. Guys, I love this sauce and it's so easy to make and it's so versatile because you can tweak it and you can serve it with whatever you want to serve it with. You can serve it over rice, yams, potatoes, or you can eat it just the way it is. It's that good. So let's get right to it, guys. If you want to learn how to do it, then just keep watching. And guys, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video, leave comments down below, and of course subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. So to make the sauce, this is what you're gonna need. Some shrimps, of course. So today I'm using already cooked shrimps, but you can use the raw ones. Some tomatoes already diced up. Some fresh bell peppers diced up as well. I'm using the green and the red ones, but you can use whatever you have, okay? Then I have some garlic and some habanero. Guys, you know I'm all about the spice. Okay, so I have some onions here as well, and I have some fresh parsley. This is a must because that's what gives it that fresh, delicious flavor, okay? And I have some spring onions, and that's it, guys. That's all you need to make the sauce. So let's get cooking. So add your olive oil or any oil that you have to your hot pan, okay? So guys, I prefer to use olive oil for this sauce because I feel like olive oil goes really well with shrimps, but you can use any kind of oil that you have, okay? So when the oil is hot, then begin to saute your onions. I'm gonna saute this for about 3 minutes, but feel free to saute it for maybe 4 or 5 minutes, but you don't want to end up with burnt onions, okay? So be very careful and make sure you keep stirring this. So after about 3 minutes, go ahead and add your tomatoes. Guys, the aim is just to get the tomatoes soft, but you don't want to get them all mushy and, you know, I don't know, it kind of like loses its form and you lose the freshness of the tomato taste, okay? You don't want to lose that, so don't over fry your tomatoes. So just fry it for about 3 minutes until the tomatoes are soft and they begin to release their juices. That's what you need. So just stop right there and just move on to the next step. So for me, the next step right here would be to add my habanero peppers and my garlic. So I did not add my garlic like super early in the process because I did not want to end up with burnt garlic, okay? So if you cook, you know that burnt garlic is literally one of the worst things that could happen to you because it messes up everything. So now that I have my garlic and my habanero pepper in there, I'm gonna saute this for another 2 to 3 minutes, and after that I'm gonna go ahead and add my bell peppers, okay? So your bell peppers are pretty much about the last thing you're gonna add because you don't want to overcook it. You don't want to do that, guys. You want to preserve the foam and the crunchiness of the peppers. I don't know. Anyway, so this is me adding my bell peppers into the sauce. So I'm gonna saute this for just about 2 minutes or even less, guys, depending on how hot your pan is, okay? You can let this go for just about 2 minutes or maybe a minute and a half because you don't want the bell peppers to begin to break down, okay? So now I'm adding some salt and some black pepper just to season it a little bit. I'm gonna add some more seasoning at the end of the process. But anyway, so now salt and pepper will do, and I'm gonna saute this together just for a couple minutes so that the flavors marry each other. I don't know if that's a good word, but yeah, so the flavors can marry each other. So I'm gonna let this cook down for just another 1 minute, and I'm adding my shrimp right away. So guys, I'm using already cooked shrimp, okay? So that makes a lot of difference in the cook time. If you were using your raw shrimps, then that would definitely extend your cook time by about a minute or 2 more, depending on how hot your pan is, okay? So these shrimps have already been cleaned and cooked and deveined and all that, so you know, it's just gonna be a breeze, okay? So I'm adding some more salt to the shrimp and some black pepper. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add rosemary because I love rosemary. And I'm gonna add my bouillon cube. But guys, this is totally optional, okay? You don't have to use a bouillon cube, but I love it. So I'm gonna add this, but like I said, it's optional. You can skip this step, but that's it, guys. So I'm gonna saute this for just about 1 more minute, and then we can add our parsley and we can go ahead with eating. Or maybe we can be patient and let the shrimp cook just a little bit more. Just so the shrimp absorbs just some extra flavor from the sauce, okay? But guys, literally the sauce is done right now. You can take it off the fire and begin to eat it, okay? But I'm just gonna let this go for just one extra minute or two, just so that the shrimp begin to absorb some of this flavor and become so tasty. So now you can see me adding my parsley. So guys, feel free to add as much of the chopped parsley as you want, okay? So I'm gonna add even more parsley later on, okay? Because I love parsley because it adds that freshness to the sauce that nothing else can give it, okay? So add your parsley, stir this up, and take it down from the fire, and guys, go ahead and start eating. So guys, I told you guys this was like super easy. I told you it was super easy, and it's so delicious, guys. You need to try it, and when you do, leave comments down below and let me know if you liked it, okay? It's amazing. It's really amazing. Anyway, some more parsley going into that pan, and that's it, guys. Our shrimp sauce is done. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you so much for supporting me and for watching my videos. Don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video, leave comments down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. I love you guys. Bye.